Yo, what's up, traders? Clay here from Peru. But I want to shoot the weekly outlook video for Top 1 Trader for you guys, starting for the first and a half week of October, right? So we had Friday was officially October 3rd, but this week, Friday, even though it's kind of like the second week, we have NFP. So, long story short, NFP week and October, November, December, 3 months left in the year. And I've been talking about this in the videos. Volatility is super high, and it's going to continue to do that and build before we go into to Thanksgiving, right before Thanksgiving holiday. So, let's take a look at some of the charts here. And obviously, you know, we want to talk about gold because it's just in beast mode here and has been. I mean, it's just an incredible rally. Now, the flip side of that is if we look at the dollar, extremely choppy, right? So, like, that's how I like to set my charts up with the 200 SMA envelope, and you can just clearly identify these trends. But if you go down through some of these US dollar pairs, dollar yen, dollar Swiss, doesn't look too bad, to be honest. Now, but if you correlate that with, say, Euro USD, because you're going to see an inverted pattern, at least, right? Potentially a bullish move. So maybe some dollar weakness coming in. NZD USD has still been struggling. And we're below the 200, so the commodity currencies, so to speak, have been a little bit weaker. Aussie's holding up a little bit more, so a lot of indecision when it comes to the dollar pairs. Now, if we look at some of these yen pairs, I think there is some promising looks. So maybe CAD yen, for example, get some sort of push up into an area of interest right here. This would be your entry. And that could be a really good play. Swiss yen, you can see below the 200 could be a sign of us breaking down and potential yen strength, right? So same deal. Euro yen and pound yen, right? So, you know, we've broken all of these supports here. So this is really what I would focus on this week, or maybe playing into this yen strength. Now, if we want to look at some of the crosses, pound New Zealand, this is a beautiful setup, right? So I think this could be a good play at the start of the week. Pound CAD, pound Aussie. No, pound Aussie looks a little weak. So I would keep an eye on some of these crosses, specifically Euro New Zealand, Pound New Zealand, and try to find an entry on some of these yen pairs to the downside is what I'll be doing. So, and then let's take a look at what's going on. S&P, just absolute beast mode right now. So that's something to keep in mind. NASDAQ and the FTSE. Nobody really cares about that. People care about it. But in the Bitcoin, back up to 120K. So, man, what a roller coaster this has been lately. So that's it. Let's have a great week, everybody. We appreciate y'all. Some amazing stuff coming out for Top 1, and especially Black Friday is around the corner, and we're going to have a ridiculous promotion for you all. So look forward to it. Thanks for everything. Good luck trading, and can't wait to see y'all's payouts.